Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After a long time of studying, I need a nice snack. Mom, I'm hungry and I want to eat something, but it needs to be healthy. Something smells like paneer. Are you making paneer?
No, I'm making baked tofu bites.
Baked tofu bites? Wait, we can bake tofu? That sounds interesting. Ooh, can we please share this recipe with all our cooking pals?
Of course we can. Let's get started.
Let's show the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Tofu, of course, because that's the main ingredient. Now make sure to use an extra firm tofu. If you want to go a level higher with calories, don't be afraid to sub tofu with delicious paneer. Flour, Italian dried herbs, paprika powder. This ingredient is totally optional, but if you want to spice things up, feel free to add paprika powder. Our homemade famous garlic powder. Make sure to click the suggested video that pops up if you want to know how to make our homemade fresh garlic powder. Black pepper and salt for taste. Panko and breadcrumbs. You can use either or, but we're using both to have an extra crisp and texture. Whenever baking comes, you always need to follow this rule. Make sure to preheat your oven. Remove tofu from the package. Wrap with paper towels. Place a plate on top of it and weigh it down. Let the tofu sit for 30 minutes to remove excess water. After 30 minutes, cut tofu into bite-sized pieces. To a plate, add panko and breadcrumbs. Season with a little bit of paprika powder, Italian dried herbs, black pepper and salt for taste. Our homemade famous garlic powder. Mix well and set it aside. Take a piece of tofu and drench it in the flour and shake off any excess. You want to make sure that the tofu is coated evenly with the flour and there aren't any bare spots. Gently toss it on the breadcrumbs until it is thoroughly coated. You have to be careful, otherwise the tofu will break apart. Lay the breaded tofu onto a baking tray. Spray with some cooking spray. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes or until the tofu bites are golden brown on all sides. Finally! They came out from the oven and they smell amazing. We are serving this with one of my favorite sauces, the all-in-one. If you want to know how to make the all-in-one sauce, stay connected with us to find out how to make it in our upcoming recipes. I can't wait to eat it. Can I take it, please?
Okay, I'll let you take the first one.
Now I'm about to take my first bite. So I'm dipping it in my favorite sauce. So close to putting it in my mouth. It tastes so good. It's really crispy and crunchy on the outside, but it's soft and silky on the inside. I'm serious, guys. You really need to try this. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below, and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!